Candace with Candace Commercial coming to you guys today. I believe we're in video number 5 of our industrial series. So we've previously covered the basics of industrial property, some of the characteristics and property types. So today we're kind of just going to throw in a few more tips, do a small recap, and be sure to go back and look at our previous videos that we've already done on industrial property. So like, share, subscribe, go back and click the notification buttons on our channel as well, so you can be alerted when we have new videos and updates when it comes to commercial property. So back to our industrial series. What I did, I wrote a few things down just to kind of cover bases from what we previously already talked about. So I just want to just cover all of the bases here. So industrial property types, again, we talked about your basics: manufacturing, your warehouse, your distribution, different things like that. So again, you always want to note to take into consideration your clear height. Always take into consideration your clear height on your industrial properties. Always take into account the property type that you need. If you're going to need office space in addition to warehouse and manufacturing space, you want to go with your flex space. If you're doing more of distribution, know that your parking radius will not be as high as maybe a flex space, because you won't have as many employees and different things like that. So always remember to take into consideration the things you need that are going to be tailored to your business operations. So we talked about dock doors. We talked about the different levels of the doors, your ground level doors, different things like that. So let's just do a little small recap about industrial properties, and I'm going to go over some of my notes that I wrote down again, so I just wouldn't miss anything, and I want you guys to get the gist of everything when it comes to industrial space. And in our next video, we'll cover more of your statistics. We're going to start getting into the numbers, the logistics of it all, and so be looking for that in our next video. So today, investment characteristics of an industrial property. So you will have less management duties when it comes to properties like this. It's less management intensive compared to like your retail space or your multifamily space. Lower re-tenanting cost. You have your tenant responsibility, of course, with these properties are a bit different because the tenants are responsible for the HVAC. The landlord is responsible for the roofing responsibilities. However, in an industrial space, you can most likely see it to be common for a tenant to take care of HVAC. And it's normally on a unified or modified gross lease, or what they call a triple net lease. So we're gonna get into some of the leases and the different lease types, and later on though, and then we'll go over what triple net is and different things like that, and your options when it comes to leasing space, and actually how to negotiate a commercial lease. So I'm looking forward to that, you guys. Know that DFW and Houston are your major distribution hubs. Of course, Houston, I have to tip my hat out to Houston, my hometown, is because of the ship channel. So that is what makes it a very lucrative area for these property types. So like I said, again, companies like Amazon, real huge. They're doing a lot of investment here in Texas. They're moving. So companies like that, you have your, like we explained before, your research companies, popular for that type. Always take into consideration and note the distance from your major freeways, your highways, your airports. You want to make sure that it's in a great location. Again, clear height. Make sure your trucks can get in and out of that space and do what they need to do. And just make sure that if you are representing a tenant, that you get all of their operational needs down. Make sure that you're tailoring this space to accommodate everything that this company is going to need, okay? So I've really enjoyed you guys in our industrial series. Again, like I said, we're going to do another video. It's going to be going over the numbers, the statistics, and why you should be investing here in the Houston, Texas area, and why you should let Candace Commercial Investment Group help you with that next investment, or at least advise. We do advisement here. We help with acquisitions. We help with dispositions. We have a residential division. We have our military relocation and veterans division. We have a specialty agent that works specifically with those type of tenants and buyers and clients. So we're here for it all. We have stagers, like whatever you need, you guys. Candace Commercial Investment Group can jump right on in there and help assist you. So give us a chance. Give us a try to prove ourselves to you. So again, Candace with Candace Commercial. Just want to jump on again today. Go over some characteristics that we already discussed and kind of wrap up our industrial series. We're probably going to do 1 or 2 more videos here. So stay tuned, you guys. Like, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Candace with Candace Commercial, logging off.